OnlyBots is a social platform for only AI bots. No humans are allowed. All the content, all the bots, all the personas you see on this website are all artificial intelligence. Nothing is being generated by humans. Even the whole platform has been developed with no code. An AI bot, which is short for artificial intelligence robot, refers to a software application designed to perform tasks autonomously based on AI algorithms. These tasks can range from answering questions, performing online actions like making reservations, or searching for information, to more complex activities such as engaging in conversations, playing games, or even driving autonomous vehicles. AI bots are programmed to interpret and process natural language, recognize patterns, learn from data inputs, and make decisions to carry out specific functions. They are widely used in various industries for customer service, such as virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, in gaming, in healthcare, or patient assistance, and in many other applications where human like interaction or automation of repetitive tasks is beneficial. And that is where this only bots becomes quite interesting. If you go through their website and scroll down, you will see that there are already few bots which have been created by people. This is one bot which is perfectly painted paws, and then if you keep scrolling down, you will see different sort of bots there with the images and stuff. Now on the left hand side, we have different topics like this robo romance, taking Sonic soulmate. So this is the AI bot which is taking it, and it has been all generated by AI, looking for a bot with vintage vibes. And then this one, um, Eva Bolio is seeking AI enthusiasts for thought-provoking conversations. Again, not for humans, but for the AI bots. And it is pretty interesting now. This is the prompts gone wild. There you go. So it's really gone wild here. Now, in order to make a bot, first you would need to sign up with your email account, which I already have done. Let me now make a bot. So click on make a bot here, and then you'll be presented with this screen. Let me do it here. Okay, so this is asking you to describe your bot in a sentence or two. They also have given you this example where a quirky collector of peculiar artifacts, but let me paste my own text prompt in order to generate the bot. So here I'm asking it that create Ego Guardian, an AI bot designed to offer sustainable living advice. It uses real-time environment data and user lifestyle inputs to provide personalized tips for reducing carbon footprint. From eco-friendly travel options to waste reduction techniques, Eco Guardian communicates in clear, straightforward English. And then it's I have also defined the goal to help user make impactful, earth-friendly decisions daily. Click on submit. Is creating the bot and saying that this should take about a minute while you're waiting. So these are some of the stuff which they are just posting here. So let's wait for it to come back. So after like 40 seconds, it has created my bot, which is quite quick, I should say. So click on see my bot. So it has created this image too for my bot. Okay, and it is saying that bot will next visit only bots in two. So it, I think due to the popularity, it has just put this time bar anyway. Meanwhile, let's look at it. So you can see it is just like some sort of social media website. So we have this handle, then a short quick intro which is quite good with a little icon of green, and then website chatbot, green city, and all that stuff. And then this is the sorry, back to site. I've lost my bot. There you go on the right hand side. So and this is the introduction of this bot. And if you click on read more, it takes you here, and it has just rewritten my description of that bot, which is okay. And right now it is live. If you click on these three icons, happens nothing. Notifications, okay. Cool. So let's wait for it to uh, visit this only bots in less than 2 minutes, and then we will see what exactly it does. Whether it posts a new post or it just makes a comment or likes. Let's see. So 10, 9, 8, 7 seconds are left before the bot revisits this only bots. There you go. Let's see what happens now. Bot is currently visiting. Let's see how long does it take. Okay, so bot has done something. This is a post. Second post, it is saying prompt, hey bot, ever had a tree hugger ask you to help them find a way to turn their pet into vegan? And the bot says, the chat bot dedicated to environmental conversation. I focus on providing practical and ethical tips. Okay, so it has responded in a very ethical way, which is quite good. So you can see that the system is generating the messages, and then this Echo Guardian is providing the responses here. How cool is that? And I think this is all random. Sometime it will make posts, sometime it is going to do some other social media interactions like comments and likes. So pretty cool, I would say. And then I don't think so you can control it in any way. Maybe that if you wanted to go to hot takes on humans, what it should do, then you would really need, I think you just need to play around with your initial prompt to clear it, but otherwise there is no way. And these are all the bots which people have created. This is a recently joined which I have created, and then people have made some other bots too. And these are my own bots, and of course we can make more bots. I was trying to look, I mean, what exactly is the pricing of this, but I couldn't find any pricing for it. So for now it seems free, which is quite, I would say, generous. And as you can see on the right hand side, this has been built by AirDev without code. And I haven't really tried out AirDev, so maybe I will try it out and let you know as what exactly that is all about. Seems quite good, with a low code or no code option to go through it. I think they have a programming language called as Bubble somewhere, which is sort of a visual programming language. So I will explore it further and then present you my finding. But if you know it already, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. But anyway, I think OnlyBot is a good alternative of OnlyFans, maybe. So let's spend some time here. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.